Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our video channel. We're going to publish more videos about important topics in federal government contracting. You don't want to miss them. The federal government has implemented programs for service-disabled veterans to get federal contracts. The certification process is still somewhat tedious and confusing, but following a few tips can not only get you certified, but also avoid delay and confusion. What are the basic SDVOSB application requirements? The service-disabled veteran, SDV, must have a service-connected disability as determined by the VA or Department of Defense, DoD. The SDVOSB must be small under the North American Industry Classification System, the NAICS, code assigned to the procurement. One or more service-disabled veterans must unconditionally own 51% of the business, control its management, including long-term decision-making and daily operations, and hold the highest officer position, or in the case of a veteran with permanent and severe disability, the spouse or permanent caregiver of such veteran. There is a rebuttable presumption that a service-disabled veteran does not control the firm if he or she is not able to work for the firm during the normal working hours and live within a reasonable commute to the firm's headquarters and/or job site locations. Ownership by one or more service-disabled veterans must be direct ownership. A concern owned principally by another business entity that is in turn owned and controlled by one or more service-disabled veterans does not meet this requirement. Minimize the chances of getting disapproved. Here are some important tips to be aware of. Number 1, your corporate documents must show that the qualifying member is in control and makes all of the company decisions. Actual control is not the deciding factor, it can be the ability to control. 2, can making decisions remotely count as being in control? How you articulate the facts is critical to the outcome. Number 3, be prepared to defend against primary customers that contribute significantly to the company's revenues. And 4, remember that having a disability alone does not obligate the government to certify you. At Watson & Associates, our government contract lawyers and consultants help small businesses nationwide to get SDVOSB certified. Call us today for a free initial consultation at 1-866-601-5518.